Hello guys, I hope you all are doing fine. And now let's start. Our main motive for today is goals from Brian Tracy. How to get everything you want faster than you ever thought possible. Now the first chapter of this book is Unlock Your Potential. The potential of the average person is like a huge ocean unsailed, a new continent unexplored, a world full of possibilities waiting to be released and channeled towards some great good. Brian Tracy. Success is goals and all else is commentary. All successful people are intensely goal oriented. They know what they want and they are focused single mindedly on achieving it every single day. Your ability to set goals is the master skill of success. Goals unlock your positive mind and release ideas and energy for goal attainment. Without goals, you simply drift and flow on the currents of life. With goals, you fly like an arrow straight and true to your target. The truth is that you probably have more natural potential than you could use if you lived 100 lifetimes. Whatever you have accomplished up till now is only a small fraction of what is truly possible for you. One of the rules for success is this: it doesn't matter where you are coming from, all that matters is where you are going. And where you are going is solely determined by yourself and your own thoughts. Clear goals increase your confidence, develop your competence, and boost your levels of motivation. As sales trainer Tom Hopkins says, goals are the fuel in the furnace of achievement. You create your own world. Perhaps the greatest discovery in human history is the power of your mind to create the aspects of your life. Everything you see around you in the man-made world began as a thought or an idea in the mind of a single person before it was translated into reality. Everything in your life started as a thought, a wish, a hope, or a dream, either in your mind or in the mind of someone else. Your thoughts are creative. Your thoughts form and shape your world and everything that happens to you. The great summary statement of all religions, philosophies, metaphysics, psychology, and success is this: you become what you think about most of the time. Your outer world ultimately becomes a reflection of your inner world and mirrors back to you what you think about. Whatever you think about continuously emerges in your reality. Many thousands of successful people have been asked what it is that they think about most of the time. The most common answer given by successful people is that they think about what they want and how to get it most of the time. Unsuccessful, unhappy people think and talk about what they don't want most of the time. They talk about their problems and worries and who is to blame most of the time. But successful people keep their thoughts and conversation on the topics of their most intensely desired goals. They think and talk about what they want most of the time. Living without clear goals is like driving in a thick fog. No matter how powerful or well engineered your car, you drive slowly, hesitantly, making little progress on even the smoothest road. Deciding upon your goal clears the fog immediately and allows you to focus and channel your energies and abilities. Clear goals enable you to step on the accelerator of your own life and leap ahead rapidly toward achieving more of the things you really want. Your automatic goal seeking function. Imagine this exercise. You take a homing pigeon out of its roost, put it in the cage, cover the cage with a blanket, put the cage in a box, and then place the box in a closed truck cab. You can then drive 1,000 miles in any direction. If you then open the truck cab and out of the box take off the blanket and let the homing pigeon out of the cage, the homing pigeon will fly up into the air, circle 3 times, and then fly unerringly back to its home roost 1,000 miles away. This is the only creature on earth that has this incredible cybernetic goal seeking function except for men. You have the same goal achieving ability as the homing pigeon, but with one marvelous addition. When you are absolutely clear about your goal, you do not even have to know where it is or how it is to be achieved. By simply deciding exactly what it is you want, you will begin to move unerringly toward your goal, and your goal will start to move unerringly toward you at exactly the right time and in exactly the right place. You and the goal will meet. Because of this incredible cybernetic mechanism located deep within your mind, you always achieve your goals, whatever they are. You move toward them and they move towards you. If your goal is to get home at night and watch television, you will almost certainly achieve it. If your goal is to create a wonderful life full of health, happiness, and prosperity, you will achieve that as well. Like a computer, your goal seeking mechanism is non judgmental. It works automatically and continuously to bring you what you want, regardless of what you program into it. Nature doesn't care about the size or scope of your goals. If you set little goals, your automatic goal achieving mechanism will enable you to achieve little goals. If you set large goals, this natural capability will enable you to achieve large goals. The size, scope, and detail of the goals you choose to think about most of the time is completely up to you. Why people don't set goals? Here is a good question. If goal setting is automatic, why is it so that so few people have clear, written, measurable, time-bounded goals that they work toward each day? This is one of the great mysteries of life. I believe there are 4 reasons why people don't set goals. First, goals aren't important. Most people don't realize the importance of goals. If you grow up in a home where no one has goals, or you socialize with a group where goals are neither discussed nor valued, you can very easily reach adulthood without knowing that your ability to set and achieve goals will have more of an effect on your life than any other skill. Look around you. How many of your friends and family members are clear and committed to their goals? They don't know how. The second reason that people don't have goals is because they don't know how to set them in the first place. Even worse, many people think they are already have goals. Think that they already have goals, when in reality what they actually have are a series of wishes or dreams like be happy or make a lot of money or have a nice family life. But these are not goals at all, they are merely fantasies that are common to everyone. A goal, however, is something distinctly different from a wish. It is a clear, written, and specific. It can be quickly and easily described to another person. You can measure it and you know when you have achieved it or not. It is possible to take an advanced degree at a leading university without ever receiving 1 hour of instruction on goal setting. It is almost as if the people who determine the educational content of our schools and universities are completely blind to the importance of goal setting in achieving success later in life. And of course, if you never hear about goals until you are an adult, as I experienced, you will have no idea how important they are to do everything you do. The fear of failure. The third reason that people don't set goals is because of the fear of failure. Failure hurts. It is emotionally and often financially painful and distressing. Everyone has had failure experience from time to time. Each time they resolve to be more careful next time and avoid failure experiences in the future. They then make the mistake of unconsciously sabotaging themselves by not setting any goals at which they might get failed. They end up going through life functioning at far lower levels than they are truly possible for them. The fear of rejection. The fourth reason that people don't set goals is because of the fear of rejection. People are afraid that if they set a goal and are not successful, others will criticize or ridicule them. This is one of the reasons why when you begin to set goals, you should keep your goals confidential. Don't tell anyone. Let them see by your results and achievements what you have accomplished, but don't tell them in advance. What they don't know can't hurt you.